Hi everyone, welcome to Dentista Dental Clinic. I'm Dr. Bernie M. Cunanan, practicing dentistry for 34 years. I've been practicing dentistry because I genuinely enjoyed helping people smile again, not just without confidence, but without pain. Over the years, I realized that dentistry is about much more than teeth. Every patient has a story. Those experiences shape the kind of dentistry I want to become. Someone who combines excellent dental care with compassion and respect for every patient. Whether it's your first visit or you've been putting off dental treatment for years, we want you to know that you're welcome here. Our team is committed to making every patient feel comfortable, informed, and genuinely cared for. Thank you for trusting us. We look forward to serving you. We believe our patients deserve quality care in a clean, modern, welcoming environment. As Christians, we also believe that every profession can honor God. For us, serving our patients with excellence in one way, we live out our faith.
Whether you need a routine cleaning, cosmetic dentistry, braces, dental implants, surgery, or simply a consultation, our team is here to help you. At Dentista Dental Clinic, we believe every smile has a story. It's our privilege to help restore not only healthy teeth, but also confidence and hope. Thank you for allowing us to be part of your journey. Can't wait to welcome you at Dentista.